Okay, so this is how this arrived from HRO. Ordered on, I think it was Friday morning. This is the voice synthesizer for my FTM200. Also works on the 300, 400, I believe the 500, and the 100. Not sure what other radios it works on, but anyways, let me get it out of the package and let's see what we got. It's funneled air channel. Draws air. I don't know if it blows it in from here and out to here, in here, out there, but anyways. Okay, so put the frequency voice synthesizer in here. We're going to remove the screws on each side, plus I said these four here. Let me get this over to the desk. Let me get my mini screwdriver set out. I get the cover off. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my little Harbor Freight mini screwdriver set. I got my magnetic cup. I'm going to put the screws into there so we don't lose anything. And let me get these screws off of here. Okay, the screws over here were closer to the speaker. These ones came off the side. They look a little bit longer. I don't measure them, so I'm not sure, but I'm going to keep them separated. Almost made a faux pas. I started to disconnect the airflow channel side. Realized, dummy, you got to do the side with the speaker. Son of a gun, man. I was more focused, nervous, making the video than paying attention. Don't make my mistake. Okay, now when you get all the screws removed very carefully, because the speaker is right there. Yep, don't want to break that speaker wire off. Let me set this up. Let me prop something up behind there. Okay, so this little white connector right there is where the frequency synthesizer board is going to go. Let me get it out of the box and let me put it on and install it. Should be a simple press fit. Okay, it comes in just this generic pink bubble wrap. You know, too bad the outside of it wasn't foil coated. United States Postal Service, how they ship this, scans a lot of stuff with x-rays. It can damage certain parts and pieces, but hopefully this one has not. And anyways, let's proceed. It's simple. Just lined it up. I gave it a little press right there. Trying not to push on the IC chip. Just kind of dangles there. So hopefully no bumps and bounces on hard roads and severe potholes or washboard loosens up. But let me put everything back together. Oh, I forgot to look in the box. Some sort of instruction, warranty, I don't know. Anyways, do real hams read instructions? Probably not. As with anything, you know, get all four screws started. I should have probably did all 8 and then snug them down. Same thing when you loosen it. Loosen both on each side before you take them off, because what happens is if you loosen the whole case, it could put undue stress on one, and I don't know what the quality of these screws are, but you strip a screw, you're kind of SOL. Okay, we got all the screws down, tightened down, so nothing vibrates loose. Okay, got it installed back in. I'm going to 3D print off a cover that goes over this to keep dust and everything out of there. That's just a trap all. You know, it's going to catch lint, dust bunnies, everything else. So anyways, let's fire the radio up.
A1KR.
Oh, look at that. Wicked. I didn't even go into the menu and turn it on, so just my, well, anyways, let me back up my oops. I gotta put a bunch of International Space Station and satellite frequencies into my radio file here, so gonna upload those first. I'll pause this. It'll only take a minute or two. We'll be right back. Okay, so if we scroll down from memory info format option, that's highlighted out. I don't have the Bluetooth yet. Voice memory. Got it set for 5 minutes. Mid volume. FS voice something receive. Don't know why it's not set up. So anyways, let's power it off. Let's see what mid volume sounds like. Might have to go back to high.
A1KR.
Really ain't that much difference than high volume. Okay, I guess I'm very disappointed with the voice module. My idea was, while I was driving, I can't take my eyes off the road, but I want to go from, say, Killington 88, right there where you see it, down Equinox. I figured it would announce the voice. I choose that. It doesn't even announce the voice. It's like, what the heck? A voice announcement only when it comes on? I guess I gotta dig deeper into the manual. Figured while I would scroll like this, trying to find a channel while the sun was in my eyes driving, with this tiny screen, it would announce it, but there's nothing in the menu I can turn on to have it on. Wow. That is really shameful. I know there's a couple of features on APRS that might do, so let's get out of there and go to APRS. I thought it was a message or something. Let me pause the camera.